Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to play 3 videos in one frame in CapCut. First, begin by opening CapCut and importing your 3 chosen video clips into the media panel. Next, drag each of these 3 videos onto separate tracks within your timeline. It is important to ensure that all 3 video clips overlap in their duration, creating a synchronized starting point for your multi-video display. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth editing process. Now let's focus on the first video. Select it on your timeline to bring up its editing controls. You will then use the transform tools, typically found in the Video Properties panel, to carefully resize this clip. Aim to make it approximately 1/3 of the total frame size. Once resized, drag and position this video precisely into the first section of your screen, perhaps the top, left, or bottom, depending on your desired layout. With the first video in place, it's time to arrange the others. Select your second video clip and repeat the resizing steps, making it also 1/3 of the frame. Then, carefully position this second video adjacent to the first, filling the next section of your screen. Finally, select the third video, resize it to 1/3, and place it in the last available section, completing your 3-video layout. Precision here ensures a professional look. Before exporting, take a moment to review your entire composition. Play through the sequence to ensure all 3 videos are perfectly aligned and that their sizes and positions create a harmonious visual. Make any minor adjustments needed for a polished look. Once satisfied, proceed to export your finished video. Choose your preferred resolution and format, and then share your dynamic 3-in-1 frame creation with the world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.